bad this morning, getting the kids back to school. Some sprinkles, but wasn't like that downpour that we could have had.
Right, and did have in a few other locations.
Right.
But you know what? Over at the airport, it was just 2,300ths of an inch of rain, a third over in Slidell, a half at Audubon. So you're thinking, oh, that's not bad.
I'm Jefferson Parish. I was talking about right there.
I know. And then 7-10 inches elsewhere. All right, let me show you this system. And I mean, it looks pretty big. It's about 500 miles long, 500 miles wide. You look at it and think, oh, gee, this looks kind of tropical, but it's not. It's a weak area of low pressure that's now moved into southwest Mississippi. You've got a couple of little mid-level lows there as well. You can see this big counterclockwise flow, but what it's doing is just bringing this moisture to the north, add in the tiniest bit of heating because we didn't have much today. And you know what? We had rain and storms today. It was really heavy not too long ago. Tangipahoa into Washington parishes. Doppler indicated 6 inches. Now that rain has moved to the west and it's heavy over southwest Mississippi. Meanwhile, along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, we had flooding in Gulfport over towards Diamond Head, past Christian. Some of those areas 7 inches of rain today. Metro right now, we look okay. A few sprinkles out there. It's not bad. Not too bad on the causeway. Some light rain. I-12, every now and then you get a storm pop up over close to Slidell. You've got some moderate rain that's showing up. And along the coast, you've got some heavy rain as well. But look at what happened this morning. South of the city, Terrebonne, Lafourche parishes into the river parishes just got pounded. Doppler indicated close to 14 inches. Here is a look in Luling. Brenda Brown sent that in. You can see how high the water is. I don't think it got into her house, but it was close to the doorstep. Franklinton, Jeffrey just sent this in. His house is raised, but that water is flowing over the roadways. So as we look at the forecast model, the good news is it kind of diminishes this evening. So we get a bit of a break, right? Then as we go into the morning hours, we're beginning to see the rain fire up. Keep in mind the ground is saturated, so any additional rain is going to run off quickly. As we go into the morning, more rain and storms. Lake Borgne over towards Lafourche and Terrebonne, the river parishes where they don't need it. Here we are going into the afternoon, that heavy rain on the south shore beginning to develop on the north shore, and then we see it moving a little bit more to the west between Baton Rouge and Hammond and LaPlace, where it could get heavy. Now watch this. As we go into Saturday morning, really shows that rain blowing up and moving a little bit more to the west. And you can see that circulation. That's one forecast model. It gives you an idea of what could happen. And it's indicating the potential over towards Gonzales of close to 12 inches of rain. So what we have is this weak low pulling off to the north. Rain and storms scattered in nature at times, dumping locally heavy rain, and that's going to be into Saturday morning. And if you've got to travel to the west, keep in mind that heavy rain is going to be moving west towards Lafayette and also towards Houston. So something you can do, clean the gutters and the storm drains. Clear out along your home so that the water can move away from your home, and store those trash cans so they won't blow away. You could have 40-mile-per-hour winds. And by the way, the high today, only 82 degrees. That's the benefit of all of this rain. And I think that's where we're going to be tomorrow, because we're going to have that rain off and on. Saturday, mainly morning, then it moves to the west. Sunday, it's going to be more scattered in nature. The temperatures begin to go up. And then next week, it's a more typical summertime pattern. Late morning, afternoon storms, high temperatures, low 90s. All right.